you know my vlog. Chest workout with the rep 60. So this is a superset, so I'm doing the 3 together. Instead of, I'm not looking to bodybuild, I'm just looking to get used to strength under pressure, fatigue, and then driving through. So this one, I'm elevated. I'm kind of doing a fly, so what I'm doing is I'm just opening as far as I can and go back up again. Opening, back up. The secret here is keep your abs tight, because otherwise your back is going to start looking like a cheap stripper with your ass sticking out. So keep your abs tight, so your back is straight, not like, I don't want to arch, I want to keep it tight. If my abs are tight, my back goes straight up. All the way out, all the way back up. Out, back up. Out, back up. I do 10 of those. And from there, I'm going to go into a press up position. 90 degrees. Back up. Press up. I'll do 10. Abs tight. And from here, elbows in, abs tight again. Down. Up. I'll do 10. From here, I've got 2 16-kilo kettlebells. 1 over here. 2. Back up. I'm going to bench press here, but when I come back down, I'm going to bring my elbows in, and I'm going to go slow. Out, slow down. Slow up, slow down. And that's it for today. Try it, it's hard. You might like it, you might not. It works. See you tomorrow.